Skillz just released something huge for developers: developer-funded live events. In this video, I'll explain why this is a game changer, how it drives engagement and revenue, and how you can use it to give your game traction faster than ever before. Traditionally, when you launch a Skillz game and get cash tournaments turned on, you only have 3 default head-to-head options for players: $1 prize pool, a $5 prize pool, and a $10 prize pool. But now, Skillz is giving developers the ability to create their own live events. This means you can put up bigger prize pools and lower entry fees to create massive perceived value for players. Here's an example. Let's say you set up a $100 prize pool, but charge only $1 to enter. From the player's perspective, spending $1 for the chance to win $100 feels like an absolute steal. And because players want to increase their odds, they don't just enter once, they enter multiple times. All those entries add up fast, which means more profit for you. Let's take it a step further. Imagine a $1,000 prize pool with a $5 entry fee. If you get 1,000 entries, that's $5,000 collected. After paying out the $1,000 in prizes, you're left with $4,000 profit. So live events not only give you short-term spikes in revenue, but they also create excitement and buzz inside your game. That excitement entices players to spend even more, keeps them coming back, and ramps up growth in weeks that might otherwise take months to achieve. I've personally been experimenting with these live events in my own games, and the results have been really exciting. Players love them, and I've seen both engagement and revenue jump quickly. So I'm going to jump into my computer. I'm going to show you how exactly you can set up these live events and also the results that I've been seeing running some experiments. So setting up live events is actually really simple. If you sign into your Skillz dev console, you'll see a tab at the end here called live events. Just bear in mind that your game has to have cash tournaments enabled before you can actually run live events in your game. And I've got many videos on how to get your game cash enabled, so feel free to check those out. And you might also need to, because it's such a new feature, you might have to reach out to Skillz to enable this live events feature. So once you can see it, you click on live events, and then you create a live event by clicking on the button on the top right. Then you'll give your event a name. Let's call it Big Winner, and because this is roulette, we'll say spin to win. Pretty simple. This is just what the players will see on the event tab. Then you have to give it a start date. So if you wanted to run an event today, and let's make it for the evening, and we'll make it 3 days, a 3-day event. And then here you select your time zone. Okay, pretty simple. Then you're going to go down to tournament details. Nothing of importance here. Here's the interesting part. So we can actually set the entry fee. So I have been experimenting. I found that the lower you go, around 50 cents, that's kind of the sweet spot. However, it depends on the prize pool that you're giving away. Obviously, if you're giving away like $1,000, to recoup that money, you want the entry fee to be a little bit higher, maybe like $5. But I usually give away $25 to $50. So I make the entrance fee about 50 cents. And you can limit cash entries. I don't do anything. I leave it unlimited, so players can enter as many times as they want. And here you're going to type in the prizes you want to give away. Now here you're probably wondering where does the money come from. You'll have to make a deposit. So you click this button here, and then you'll deposit whatever money that you want to put up for prizes. And here you can set the prizes that players will win. So the first, if I'm giving away $25, the first prize can be $12, the second one can be $8, and the third one can be $5. So that's a total of $25 in prizes. And then branding and media, you want to give your tournament thumbnail, you want it eye-catching, and this is where you can upload a custom theme. So we'll go here with roulette. So I just use one of these VIP spins. So this is what is going to be showing for the live event, the image, and then you simply submit, and it's that simple. And then whatever time you have set, your event will go live in your game and players can start playing. So I want to show you some results that I've been experimenting with. So I click over here, completed. If you can look here, I name this one Big Win Jackpot. So here's what's really interesting, guys, and why this is such a game changer is because I only put up $25 in total prizes, and the event was 3 days. It was from the 26th till the 29th, so only a 3-day event. I had 50 participants, so 50 players entered this live event, and there were 407 entries. So you can see each player played on average around 8 games, and that's what's so great about it, because when they see 50 cents they think it's so little and they kind of lose track. So this is what I mean about perceived value. They're willing to spend a little bit more to get that $25. And remember those days when you're at the arcade, you used to play those arcade machines for like 20 cents, and after a while you forget how much you're actually putting in. So it was definitely a successful campaign. You can see the total entry fees was $203. So from just $25 I made a profit of $178, which is crazy. So you can see how this can build traction inside of your game, especially if you offer more and more like higher prize pools. You can really make a really great return on this. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be experimenting with it a lot more. And you could run one of these every 3 days with $178 profit. That's 10 events in a month. That's almost $2,000 profit, guys. So yeah, it's really a game changer, and definitely I recommend experimenting with this. So if you're a Skillz developer, or in fact any game developer, I highly recommend testing out these live events. They're one of the best tools right now to grow faster, build traction, and increase your profit. And if you've got a game idea and you want me and my team to bring it to life, reach out. I've left my email in the link in the description. We've built multiple top performing Skillz games, and I'd love to help you create the next big one. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've ever tried running these live events yourself. I'd love to hear your results. I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace out.